Okay, so here again we are in our mechanical fan coil unit automation. So it will auto size the fan coil unit based on the airflow. So this one is similar to my previous video regarding the valve using lookup tables, and then it will resize according to the size of the pipes. But this one is a fan coil unit. So we link the parameter with the airflow. So the size of the fan coil unit will auto size or resize according to the airflow. So to do that, you must have a reference like a manufacturer catalog. So in my example, in this video, I'm using the Carrier, this one. So I already customized the family. So the family, you must be accurate in creating Revit families with parametric dimensions, all that. So you have another topic in YouTube, in LinkedIn Learning, you can also have all those training. So what you need here is the this one, technical data. So you need the air volume, cooling capacity, motor power output. And so all this information, you can grab this one and then place into this Excel lookup table, this one. And you can place all those information here. Okay, so this is the model, 3 up to 14. And then this is the dimensions. Okay, so if we go here in the catalog, we have also here the dimensions. So this one. So as you can see in the model 03, you have the value dimension A, B, C. Okay, this one, I think if you want, you can place also in the lookup table, this one. So just create a family perfectly so that it will resize according to the airflow. So I linked already the dimensions and then the volume based on this one. So let's say the flow will be 142, less than 142 will be model 03. So if the flow is 128 LPS, then the model will be 04. So you must link this one and this one. You must add the dimension and this data, okay, into this here. Okay, you add it here. Now, I added some example here. So this is now the this one is, I think, the family, the type, and then this one is the model. You see, now then this is the flow. So I'll show you first the result of these automations. So let's say I want to change this flow here. Let's check what's the flow here, 300. So I think it's better I will change this one to 100. So the supply will be, or flow will be 100. Okay. So just ignore the sizing standard. 45. Okay. So the fittings will not auto size, okay, in this one. So you have to select. Okay, but the equipment will resize. So we have here now less than, if the flow is less than 142, then the model will be model 3, and then the sizing also is this one here. So model 3, this one. So he will get all those dimensions into from the lookup table. So let's say I want to change this one to, Okay, I will just place it here to the side. So let's say I want to change this one. Flow will be 200. So 100, 200, watch here. It will change. So see, this one will be put here 300, 260. It will change also. And this one, let's change the flow to 500. So the only, it will not automate, but you can select this one and then change to 45. It will resize now. So this one, so standard. But as you can see, the sizing of the fan coil unit will automate. And then the schedule also, the model name will change also, okay? Including the cooling capacity. No need to input it in the text file because you already created a lookup table in advance. So it will resize, okay? Okay, so I think let's go now to the family. How did I create that one? So let's say I want to change again all this, make it bigger. Where's the properties? I want to make it 700. That's the biggest LPS. So it will change. And then you just select this one and then change to standard or 45. So it will change. So that's now the sizing based on the airflow. Of course, the ducting here, you cannot automate this one unless you run a dynamo. So that one is, I think I created another video for this one. So this one will save time in placing all those information here. Okay, so I think we're ready now to go to the families. So we edit the family. Okay, here's the family. So the first thing is you must create a perfect family. This one, okay? It must be parametric. So what I mean by that is that when I change the flow here, supply flow to 300, but it will also change also this. Okay. Model also. So let's say 500. Watch the model here. It will change also. Okay. Put back to 120. Model 3. Okay. Okay. So I think we're interested now. So the family creation, lacking all those dimensions and edges of this box or these solids is to create a perfect family. Okay, so now we go here at the information, at the properties. Okay, how we can create a lookup table, lookup, whatever. Okay, here's this one. So again, you create a table name based on the here, Excel, you copy this one here, you place there. And then, and by the way, if you want training with this one-on-one, you can comment in LinkedIn, in YouTube. So I have also a training fee for this one. It's not free. Okay, so if you want to advance your team in creating the best families in Revit, working in the BIM team, then you can message me and we can have a one-on-one training for these families. Okay, then you go here at the import, then you select all those lookup tables here. Okay, and then press OK. Okay, so let's say I want to add, what's missing here? Let's say I want to add in the schedule, cooling capacity, motor power output. Okay, So let's say I want to add this information here, motor power output, cooling capacity, BTU. Ganun ba? Cooling capacity. Okay. So okay, let's try to create that one. So we go here, add, then you create shared parameter, instance, select. So I already created this one, cooling capacity, FCU, cooling capacity, kilowatts. You edit this one. So we select this one, FCU, cooling capacity, kilowatts. Properties is just, this one is a length, okay? Common length, okay. Okay. Ay, sorry. Kilowatts, okay. Then you place it in general. Already created. Where's the cooling capacity? FCU. FCU. Where are you? Instance, general, select. Already contains a shared parameters for cooling capacity. Then where? Here. So I think I will change this one to general. Okay, so we have now the cooling capacity here. Okay, so again, you have to place here the size, look up, then table name, cooling capacity, 0 DN. So once you have that, you can load now this one to the project. Okay, so window tile. So this one, this is the cooling capacity. Okay, I think we should create another one. So I want to add the schedule here. What is missing here? Cooling capacity, shared parameter, general. Select this one, motor nominal power output. Okay, select this one. Okay, and then press OK. So as you can see here, we have your motor nominal output here. So let me close this one. Okay, window tile. So if we change now the flow, let's say I want to change this one flow here to 150. The FCU cooling capacity and then the motor nominal flow power will change also. You see, it will be 30. So if the flow will be, let's just hide this one. Hide column. Okay. So the flow is 150. Let's check this one. Let's check the catalog if it's correct. So the flow is, here's the 150. It should be 44. Model 4, this one. Then 2.8 and 30. So this one here. Because it will fall under this category. Then this is the 30 watts. And then the 3.8. This one. 2.8. Where's that one? Let me check. It's not. This one. It's 3 point. We should update this one. So this one is, it's that one. Okay. So I think I made a mistake in creating the information here. This one should be 3.3, 3.8, 4.7, 5.8, 6.6, 7.7, 9.6, 10, 10.4, and then 12.1. Okay, so if you update this one, watch now here at this. So select about 45. So, okay, so if you update that one, you just, the Excel, you just go back to the families, go here, manage lookup tables, import, then the fan coil unit. Yes, and then press OK, apply. Okay, so once I load this one, it will update all those information. So Carrier, yes. So if we go back to this guy now, it's 3.8 and then 30. Okay, so that's how you can automate all the schedule in the fan coil unit. Okay, this one. So again, if we change the flow here, let's say at 300, it will change, so I have to update. See, then the flow 300, they are linked together. So this one, let's say I want to change this one to 500. So see, this one is 10.4, 124 watts. Okay, this one. So okay, that's how you can customize and then automate your schedule, automate your sizing of the fan coil unit or any equipment in Revit families. Okay, so for trainings, tutorials, you can contact me, message in my YouTube channel. Wow, YouTube channel, and I have one. I have a training fee. No, it's not free. Okay, message me, and then you can start and enjoy your new project with these all automations in your equipment, air terminals, valves, and so on. So it's unlimited, no, inside the families and valves in the Revit families. So you can customize that one. So I think that's it. Thank you.